Welcome to the Better Kids Social Emotional Learning Read-Aloud program. First, start by downloading our free app, Wisdom, the World of Emotions, from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Select the Educator version and then the Back to School button. The next weekly theme and lesson will be uploaded in this Read-Aloud section until all 14 weeks have been added. Let's look at the first lesson together. You will open the session with a mindfulness activity. Then you will read one of the suggested books. If you don't have access to these books, most are available to listen to on YouTube. Using our slideshow, you can then lead a discussion on the book and the week's SEL theme. And finally, children will complete the worksheet to reflect on the theme. If you are teaching in person, you can have the slides projected and the worksheets printed. If you are teaching virtually, you can present the slides on your screen for students to see. You can then show the worksheet on your screen so students can write or draw answers on their own paper. You can share the worksheet PDFs for students to print, or you can have students write directly on top of their PDF if their devices allow it. We are so excited that you have chosen our Read Aloud program to support social emotional learning with your students. If you would like to access our games, SEL curriculum, and other teaching resources, you can purchase a school license for your students directly on our website. Please email us at joy@betterkids.education with any questions you may have.